Vermont was a tapestry of red, orange, and yellow leaves. Driving through open fields with red barns, little chapels in small towns in the hills, and a visit to Vermont's capital, Montpelier, surrounded by remnants of antiquity and centuries-old buildings, and Vermont's heritage as the maple syrup capital of America. We sure love our maple syrup in the mornings. And we were excited to explore Bragg Farm and Sugar House to learn how maple syrup is produced.
You're at the Bragg Farm Sugar House, East Montpelier, Vermont on Route 14 North. We make maple syrup right in the room over there. That is Doug Bragg. He's the owner. He's an 8th generation sugar maker. In that picture, he's over here. This is where the wood gets loaded. His wood is behind that door.
It was fascinating to consider that this process has been handed down through 8 generations.
We collect our sap the traditional way with buckets. So the buckets you see in this room, those are the ones that we use. They hold about 4 to 5 gallons of sap each. We have 70 acres of wild sugar maple trees.
We parked behind their sugar house and in the morning tasted the syrup.
The sampling cups are here. Sample in that direction. So you're going from lightest to darkest. You should be able to taste the maple taste get stronger as you go.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the grade 8 golden delicate taste. This is amber. This is dark robust. For our last sample, we'll try the darkest one, which is the very dark. It's good. It's really good.
We picked out our favorites, amber and dark, and Dakota dipped into his piggy bank for his first kitten.
We welcome all Harvest Host people. We have a great view for you to relax up on the hill behind the sugar house. Come and enjoy our Vermont pure maple syrup.
We left Bragg Farm loaded up with maple syrup, and oh, we were excited to put it on our pancakes.
Yummy!
It's so nummy.